Hi friends, welcome to Forza Autumn Packaging Machinery Company. As one of the top suppliers of customized packing machinery in China, I'm so proud of Doypack to provide so brilliant packing solutions for our customers. And today, I'm going to introduce you this brand new horizontal premade pouch packing machine behind me. This machine accompanies with Z-type material elevator, 10 head layer, support platform, ATM 210 main horizontal premade pouch packing machine. This kind of horizontal premade packing machine is suitable for packing all kinds of granules, such as peanuts, rice, coffee beans, chips, candy, etc. Bag types can be three-side, stand-up, zip-lock, gusset, spout, etc. Okay, let me introduce the first part, the Z-type material elevator. Here is the Z-type material elevator. Its frame is made of stainless steel, and the hoppers are made of ABS, which meets the hygienic standard of 2S and the medicine GMP. You can customize its height and capacity based on your products. Your workers put the materials in this storage tank, and it will shape it inside the hopper and then transfer to the multi-head layer there. This is 10 heads combination layer. It has two layers. The first layer are the storage hoppers, and the second layer are weighing hoppers, faster weighing speed and high precision. Different pan and the hoppers are designed for different products. Japanese technology load cell for high weighing accuracy. There are two unit sensors. Once the material is lower the sensor level, and they will give the signal to the material conveyor to keep transporting the material. Once the material is higher the sensor level, and the material conveyor will stop feeding. We recommend 2 meter by 2 meter support platform to have enough space for your workers to do the inspection and the maintenance. It is made of 4 mm thick stainless steel, 100 mm side width, and the diameter 35 mm of the pipe. It is ATM 210 horizontal premade pouch packing machine, very wide range for packing application. The stainless steel machine body is beautiful and practical, corrosion, wear resistant, acid safe, and sanitary. Look at the bag depositor. It can load lots of bags, reducing workers to feed bags all the time. The large bag magazine can adjust according to the bag size. Conveyor one can put more bags. It is the bag pickup station. The electric type sucking system ensures accurate pickup the bag automatically. The powerful and strong bag holding and the vacuum sucking system ensure accurate the bag being opened in a stable condition. It is completed by one group of robots together to improve the bag opening efficiency. This is the automatic ribbon coding machine. Different types of code printers, such as hot stamp ribbon printer, inkjet printer, thermal transfer printer, and so on. Here is the optional open zipper device, patented grip system, stable and easy. It's a filling station here. Continuous working station of bag transferring to be filled with products. Speed can reach 45 bags per minute. The machine will automatically stop filling the unopened bag once it is unopened, and it will not affect packaging work, save detection, and save cost. The sophisticated structure for premade bags in the reliable sealing. The first and the second heat sealing ensure firm sealing performance. Independent temperature control system keeps accurate temperature, ensures sealing beautiful and smooth. Finished bags drops from this part to our conveyor or our collection box. Here is a 7-inch smart touchscreen control panel. It can provide multiple languages, and it is easy to operate. The operation control system integrates the combined metering between different materials, such as liquid, glass, powder, granule, glass powder, liquid glass granule. Mechanical float display system can help troubleshooting and reduce manual operation. Here are all factors for the machine. Let's check it. Here is the vacuum detector, the heat sealing one, the start one, the autumn button, the stop button, the emergency stop button, and the main power button. Let's check the electrical box of the main packing machine. All component parts are well-known brand parts, which is durable and guaranteed. Optional features of this machine: the zipper opening, zipper closing, designated pouch opening, open the top and the bottom of the bag, vibration, heat seal, air, nitrogen inflation, air deflation, heat protection, vacuum pump, debusting device, and so on. Let's run the machine to show you how to use. Inspection system ensures that each machine is debugged to meet quality standards before leaving the factory. So you have any customized packing solution, just find us at this website or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. See you!